Welcome to the channel, everybody. Coming to you with some Canton Network on the CC token. If you would, you got the time, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. As you can see, Canton Network is down on the day, down 1.17%, sitting at a price at 0.1530. It's been 18 hours and 8 minutes on the new day. We are looking at the 1 hour chart. It looks like we were coming down. Let me close this up, take this off. We've been coming down. We was coming down in a range. We hit this area of support and we started back up. We did get back above the 7-day VWAB and we're holding support above that. As we can see right here, our support levels is between 0.152 and 0.151. And we're currently above that support level right now at 0.153. We got a couple support areas right here that we need to reach above here on the 4 hour chart. Our first one, we need to get above the 0.156. We get above the 156, we come through this area of resistance right here. We did get above that right here back couple hours ago, about 5 or 6 hours ago. But got rejected and came back down and bounced out off of this 7-day VWAB. So looking for the market, we can look at Bitcoin. It's been pushing up. I think we're going to push up one more time before dropping over the week with the meeting, the Fed meeting coming up. I think shortly after the Fed meeting, we're going to have a big pullback on Bitcoin. Like I've heard other content creators say, you start the week out bullish like this, and then usually you close the week out real bearish. So I do feel that same way with this Fed meeting that's coming up. I think tomorrow we could see the market pull back. Been talking about having a relief rally on the crypto market, and we have got that in the last couple of days. We have seen Bitcoin push up almost to $76,000 right here. It pushed up to $76,000, got close to that 90-day VWAB up there and got rejected and came down and hit a small area of support. I do believe we're going to go back up one more time and make a higher high here on Bitcoin. So with that being said, as we look here at Canton Network, well, I do believe that we can push up towards this 30-day VWAB right here when Bitcoin makes its next push up. If we can get the volume. Now, volume looks pretty good today. The last few days, far as the price, it ain't reflected much off of that price. We were sitting at one time at 0.143. And now we back up here at the 0.1534. Could see most likely we're gonna break through. Like I say, we're gonna push up, and I do believe that we're gonna break through the 156, and then we're gonna go right on up. Probably get close to 16 and a half cent up here at this 30-day, and then we may see a pullback coming back down somewhere between 0.148 and 0.149. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. I'm gonna take off some of this 30-day and the 7-day, since I've covered that with you. Uh, let's look at the 1348. See if we got anything crossed up on. Right now, let's see. We crossed right here. As you can see, let's see. We've crossed over on the 4 hour. Um, we did cross over on the 1 hour back here. It's staying above. It's bullish. I don't know, but right now, we bearish on the day. We were kind of bullish. As you can see, we run up on the daily chart. We did bounce off of this, and we pushed all the way up to almost 19, a little over 19 and a half cent. And we come back down, and it just did on the daily chart cross back under here bearish. So the way it looks, if you can see that chart, we got this green line here. It needs to it's coming down, but it needs to come back up and cross back over and let this red line come, you know what I'm saying, come like this and then go up and turn back bullish. Uh, so that's where we at on the chart here. As you can see, let me see where I'm at. No, it ain't. It's not on that one. So, we did make a high back over here, a little over about 21 and a half, 22 cent. Came down. We bottomed out here at a little above. Let's see. We come all the way down to 0.05, almost a little under 6 cent. And we've worked our way back up now. We did when we topped over here. It looks like it's getting weaker right now. Just kind of consolidating between 0.14419 up to 0.17479. So that's where we at. Looking for us to push up. And that might be a main area right there that we do hit. But I don't think we're gonna get that high up. We could come back up and retest this 0.17479 area right there. I'll keep that up there. Keep us updated. We could sweep back up. Like I say, we could, like we hit it, we come down. We may sweep up and get rejected and then come down, further. Maybe come back down to this area right here. The previous bottom right there at 0.1178. A little under 12 cent right there. We could see that happen there to us. I don't know why. We got this area that held this support right there, and it's at 12 and a half cent. So you got that area, and you got this area right here, right up under that sits at 11.7 cent. So we'll see where we go, but I do see us going up, getting a rejection, then working our way down, because Bitcoin's going to pull back major. The next major pullback on Bitcoin is going to be terrible. It's going to be terrible. I'm going to make another update on that, bring that to your attention. I do have a Bitcoin video out there on my channel. Let's see, content. Let's go to the channel. But I don't think right here, I got it right here. If you look on my page, it's Bitcoin Cycle Top chart signals. You can go. I got a prediction: Bitcoin going to 32 to 38,000 in the bottom of the bear market. That's where I'm looking for it to go, between 32 and 38,000. So that lets you know right there how far we're gonna still pull back on these alts. I'm not giving financial advice out, but if you when it runs up and it touches that 17, 18 cent, or it gets close to that 17.5 or 17.4 cent, I've been getting out. Really, to me, I would, but if I was wanting to see somewhere to take profits before we have this next major drop down, and you'll see a pullback also with Canton Network. So look for tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, to start seeing this pullback. Tomorrow's Wednesday, tomorrow or Thursday, start seeing this pullback on Bitcoin. So at that point, we'll have a pullback on alts also. So, but one thing about Canton Network, right now when Bitcoin pulls back, I don't see Canton Network pulling back very much. And I haven't looked into it to see how much correlated Canton Network is with Bitcoin. So I'll get that and I'll pull that up at another time and get that checked out for you and let you know. But I think you can go. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna wait. I'll wait, and then I can pull that up at a later time on another video. I'll find it on the next Canton Network video. I'll bring that how much correlated Bitcoin is with, or Canton Network is with Bitcoin. So if you like the content, again, subscribe to the channel. Till the next time, I want to say God bless you. And like I say, subscribe and like. There it is. It's not that. You click on that, it ain't going to carry you nowhere, but it's in the bottom right-hand corner. That little Captain, Captain America look-alike down there. But anyway, God bless you. We'll see you on the next one.